out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna...
Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing great. Today is Friday the 13th, but what a better way to beat the date than by arriving to Bermuda. Bermuda is actually it is my favorite island by far. Today is an early arrival, so my husband is already on a bridge. I have some GoPro set up over there, so we are gonna have the best view, and right now I'm gonna get some breakfast, and then we are going out to show you the beaches and the beautiful, beautiful island of Bermuda. So guys, we got our tokens for the ferry and for the bus, because we are gonna go all the way to Hamilton. We are gonna go to the capital city by ferry. It is a scenic drive. Highly recommend it to you to do it. You will see all the beautiful residential areas, and then we are gonna take a bus from Hamilton all the way to Horseshoe Bay. And from Horseshoe Bay we are gonna come back to the King's Wharf by bus again. So, day full of adventure ahead of us. So we are waiting in a line for ferry. It's a big one. Guys, he doesn't want to ask where is a bus station. Oh, look how pretty. So I'm gonna trust him, but baby, why you don't want to ask where is a bus station? And he doesn't want to wait for me either. So shall be interesting. Guys, I can see a bus station! But I have to say, we did ask for the direction. There is a beautiful town hall behind me. How stunning! And we are gonna take a bus number, I think 7, that goes all the way back to the cruise ship terminal, but it stops in all the most beautiful beaches in Bermuda. And the ride is definitely worth it, because you will see the scenery that is on the coast. I'm missing the bus! So these are the buses. They're obviously pink, because why not? So guys,
we made it, huh?
We are in a bus, number 7, going to Horseshoe Bay. That's the most popular and apparently the most beautiful beach in Bermuda. We've been there several times. I'm gonna show you the beach, but then we are gonna be walking a little bit towards I think left, when there's not that many people, because usually Horseshoe Bay is very crowded. But my hubby found the bus station. I'm going now. Like I said, it can get a little crowded. So we are going to be walking all the way behind those rocks, and peaceful, but look at this. Yeah, it's not gonna end up good. Let's see all the sacrifice. Oh. So this looks like a secluded beach. It's a high tide, so we cannot pass by for now, but good enough for me. So guys, if you wanna see how a paradise looks like, I have a picture for
you. Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay, no, no, no. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be.
So guys, quick change of an outfit. We went to eat on board. My husband stayed on board because he needs to work, obviously. But I wanted to come down to a Royal Navy dockyard, which is also called Her Majesty Dockyard, which was a principal base in the Western Atlantic Ocean since 1795 all the way to 1995. So it means that through the American War of Independence, First World War, Second World War, and also a Cold War. Right now it's just a maritime museum. We went inside last time when we were here. It is a beautiful museum. I really like that. Funny story, we almost got locked inside. So just be careful. We almost ended up sleeping in one of the warehouses. But I just definitely needed to show you this beauty that is right next to our ship. So look around. Yeah, and the museum will be that building right over there. Like I said, it's definitely highly worth it to visit the museum. So guys, we just entered the dining room. A dining room is on the deck 4 and deck 5. And we are going to show you a little bit of a dining room, and then we are going to show you a galley, how it works in a galley and Serenade of the Seas. Very excited.
Hello.
So guys, I would like to give you a little bit more information about the galleys and the Serenade of the Seas while you are watching this video. I would like to say thank you to an executive chef who actually allowed me to film in the galley. Obviously, we didn't go there during the busy period, which would be at dinner time. We went there around 9 in the morning, so you can see it's not that crowded, but this was purely for the safety reasons. Nevertheless, it was amazing to see the galley on Serenade, the main galley. So there are two galleys. The other one would be on the deck 11 next to the Windjammer. There are around 150 crew members that are working in the galleys, and they are preparing you guys 12,000 meals every day. So if you are gonna be cruising on a Serenade for a 10-day cruise, the provision would look like something like this. They are gonna be ordering for you 7,000 pounds of meat, 3,500 pounds of chicken, 11,000 dozen eggs, 3,200 pounds of French fries, 3,000 pizzas, 9,700 cookies, and 1,650 gallons of ice cream. Pretty impressive considering the fact that Serenade is one of the smallest ships.